Shaving is a daily grooming routine for many men, and when done properly, it can leave your face smooth, clean, and irritation-free. Whether you're using a razor or an electric shaver, the key is preparation, technique, and aftercare. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps to achieve the perfect shave. Before you shave, it's important to properly prepare your skin to minimize irritation and get a smoother result. Wash your face with warm water and a gentle facial cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and sweat. This opens up your pores and softens facial hair, making shaving easier. You can also apply a warm towel to your face for about 1 to 2 minutes. The heat helps soften the beard hairs and opens the pores for a more comfortable shave. Razor. If you're using a traditional razor, ensure it's sharp and clean. Dull blades can cause nicks, cuts, and irritation. Shaving cream gel. Choose a good quality shaving cream or gel that suits your skin type. Avoid soap as it can dry out the skin. Brush, optional. Using a shaving brush helps evenly apply shaving cream and lift facial hair for a smoother shave. Aftershave. After shaving, apply an aftershave or soothing balm to hydrate and calm the skin. Take a small amount of shaving cream or gel and rub it between your hands to warm it up. Then apply it to your damp face in circular motions. This helps create a nice lather, which makes the razor glide smoothly across your skin. If you're using a shaving brush, dip it into warm water, load it with shaving cream, and gently massage it onto your face in circular motions. Shave with the grain. Begin shaving in the direction of hair growth or with the grain. This helps reduce irritation and prevents ingrown hairs. Gentle strokes. Don't press too hard on the razor. Let the weight of the razor do the work. Use short, gentle strokes to avoid cuts. Shave in sections. Work in small sections, focusing on one area at a time. This ensures a more thorough and careful shave. If you're shaving a difficult area like under your chin or neck, slightly stretch the skin to create a smoother surface. This can help you avoid nicks. Once you've shaved the first pass, rinse your face with warm water to remove any shaving cream or gel residue. If you want an even closer shave, apply another layer of shaving cream and shave again, this time going against the grain. Be gentle when doing this, as shaving against the grain can cause irritation for some people. After finishing your shave, rinse your face with cool water to close your pores. This helps tighten the skin and reduces irritation. Gently pat your face dry with a clean towel, making sure not to rub, which can irritate freshly shaved skin. Aftershave. Apply an alcohol-free aftershave or soothing balm to hydrate and calm your skin. Look for products with ingredients like aloe vera or witch hazel to reduce redness or irritation. If you have sensitive skin, you can also use a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and prevent dryness. After shaving, rinse your razor thoroughly with warm water to remove any hair and shaving cream buildup. Dry it completely to prevent rusting, and store it in a dry area. If you're using a razor with replaceable blades, make sure to replace the blade regularly for a smoother shave. Shaving may seem like a simple task, but when done correctly, it can help you achieve a closer, more comfortable shave while preventing irritation. By preparing your skin, using the right tools, and applying the right technique, you can shave like a pro. Don't forget to take care of your skin afterward to keep it smooth and healthy.